The Dodge Granada was one of two Chrysler Corporation fiberglass concepts released in 1954. Unlike the Plymouth Belmont, the Granada was built with new construction innovations. It was assembled with just a handful of component parts, rather than the dozens of body pieces which went into conventional cars. The styling was a cooperative effort of Chrysler with coachwork by Creative Industries of Detroit and finishing by Ionia Manufacturing, Mitchell-Bentley, of Michigan. The Granada was one of the first two fiberglass cars ever produced in a one-piece molded fiberglass body which bolted directly onto a Dodge convertible chassis. The grille, bumpers, and all body attachments are constructed of fiberglass. It is powered by the original 241 cubic inch 150 horsepower Red Ram Hemi engine. Granada was located by Joe Bortz and then cosmetically restored and housed in the Mitchell Auto Museum until purchased by the current owner. After purchasing the car, the Granada was completely disassembled and given a body-off restoration to its present condition.